In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how to trade option on Fidelity app. In order to trade option on Fidelity, first of all, open a fund of a Fidelity Brokerage account. So here, you want to first of all go to the account, or if you don't have a Fidelity Brokerage account, you want to create one. So press the first link that appears, and then you want to click on Open Brokerage account. After which, you want to complete the option application, which will ask about your financial situation and investment experience as well. Then you want to go ahead and understand the terms and conditions of option trade. As you've done it, so now then you want to access your brokerage account in Fidelity app. Then you want to find the option chain for the stocks or ETF you want to trade, and choose the specific option contract you want to trade. As you've done it, so you want to open a trading ticket and enter the trade details and review and confirm the trade as well. So that way you'll have successfully traded option on Fidelity app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.